Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Meet my cat, pretty short-haired lazy lady. And my puppy, active biting piece of fur. Usually he bites us, not the furniture, but I think he found the cat's house as an attractive treat. He damaged cat house platform in two spots, the one you see and in the back right corner, so I decided to fix it with my granny square samples I made a while ago. I choose those 7 squares. Don't know if I will be using the white diamond square, so probably will change it to something other, but we'll see. I plan to join them with invisible joint. Initially I thought the positioning will be like that, but I changed my mind later. That's the back connected with the invisible joint. That looks nice. And this is the front of it. I will do the corners with the same way and will show you the results. Okay, so far it looks like that. I like it, so let's try it on. Oh, I changed my mind and placed those 2 greenish blue squares on the sides. I do think it looks better now, and the dog will probably think the same. But I'm not sure, probably he just wants to bite it all or eat it. Like, he's a doggo, he's the puppy. What else do he need? And this is other squares I have left for this project, but I'm not sure I will be using them. Like, I have some other stuff as well, but we'll see. So I added this blue square, and then on the opposite side I crocheted the extra corner because I did not like how look other squares here. So it's the same blue yarn, it's just the double crochets with the half double crochet and the single crochet, and I think it will be buttons there, like to easier maintain of this. And this is the final results. What's your thought, guys? I do like the buttons here, so it will be easier to like take it off and wash in case if it's need to be washed. Please share your thought in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video, hope you enjoy it.